pandemic crisis has shown, sewing is really important. And we totally believe that sewing can change the world.
I saw an article on threaded together sewing masks. We talked about it, and before you know it, we were bringing bags of fabric to the studio and getting volunteers involved. And we cut now, today will be around 9,000 masks.
Wearing a mask in public helps slow the spread in the community, making our jobs as caregivers easier.
It's so cool to see the entire sewing community come together. I really do feel like our community is threaded together through this crisis and through our love of textile arts and sewing.